So today we're talking about this pattern of anterior pelvic tilt. So you might be able to see with Jade that her pelvis is tipped forward, a really big arch in lumbar spine. This postural pattern is prevalent in people with pelvic floor issues as well as low back tension. So I'm going to show you an assessment plus corrective exercises that I use with a lot of my clients. People with this pattern are often trying to stretch their way out of it. Not my favorite method. So the first assessment is lie down on your back. Let's just see how big of an arch you have. To see is there a big arch under their low back, which I can fit my whole hand under. I shouldn't really be able to fit my hands under where her ribs are. Again, these are just patterns, not problems, but I would be looking for less of an arch in her low back. And the first exercise is put one of your feet up on the chair. Don't bend that other knee, but do a big tuck, 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 tuck. And then you'll shift it forward just a bit. Do you feel a stretch?
Yes.
Where do you feel that stretch? Yeah, so she's feeling it in the front of her hips. Raise your right hand up and even do a bit of a side bend. Do you
Wow, that's amazing.
Then you'll come out of it and go ahead and try to lift your leg up off the stool and hold it here. As you do this, you want to maintain the tuck in your pelvis, but you don't want to round your back under like that. Now straighten that leg on the chair and you see how she went right back into her big anterior pelvic. So tuck under, tuck, tuck. Yes, no gripping. Just try to tuck under, straighten your leg, please. And then go ahead, try to lift your right leg up for 8 seconds. It is really hard. Jade and I talked about this before. It's pretty challenging for her body just because she's used to a different pattern. And instead of me putting my hand under, which I will, I'm just going to ask you if you feel flatter to the ground.
I feel much closer to the ground, yes.
And the arch is definitely less, but that's not what we're after. We're not after nitpicking the arch in her back. We're just after creating input and load that's really different for her system.